So dear children, let us start with the class. So last time I gave you one question of selection sorting using a recursive function. So how many of you have attempted that? And that time I told you that the prototype of the function is void sort, this one, and here passing I comma j. If you see that code of selection sorting, which is non-recursive code, the code is like this, and you have to convert this code into a recursive code. So this is j loop is from I plus 1 until j is less than a dot length j plus plus. So here if a of I is more than a of j, if a of I is more than a of j, then t will be a of I and a of I will be a of j and a of j will be t. This is the non-recursive code, children. You have to apply this. This is a non-recursive code, and the same code you have to write. So first of all, we have to decide the base case. What will be the base case? Sarthak Manral, please tell the base case. Sarthak. So here what will be the base case? If you see this loop, you need to write the base case. Yes, please tell. So the base case will be when the outer loop terminates. So here if I matches with length, if I matches with length, immediately return. So if this is the case, return immediately. And second case will be else if j matches with a dot length. It is clear, you can see it clearly that whenever j reaches a dot length, it will terminate, because till the value of j is less than a dot length, it will continue. So here you need to write like this. So when this j terminates, what will happen? This I will get incremented by 1, and then j will start from I plus 2. So how many of you have understood this I plus 2? Why I have written I plus 2? But the reason is, when I is incremented, suppose I becomes 5 from 4, then it is obvious that this j will go from 6. That's why. And initial value of I and j from the main method we will be passing as 0, 0. So here and now, in else part, what to do is, if A of j is more than A of j, A of I is more than A of j. If this is the case, then we need to swap. This is what we have to do. Because if you see this part, it is exactly similar with that. Actually, it is a comparison part in which we need to compare two elements in order to arrange them. And after that, what we need to do, we need to make it recursive. We need to call this function. So we are just passing the array. We don't want to change this I because at present j is going. So this is how the recursive code will be. And now we would like to write the main method. So what to do is simply just this is the main method, and just have some elements which is 12, 32, 34, 1, 5, 7, 26. Suppose these are the elements. So before sorting, we want to print these elements. And then we want to make the duplicate copy of the class. We want to sort this, and here after that after sorting we have to do this. The name of the array is sort. What happened here? Why this? Okay, yes, the problem is that I have not passed the values of I and j. So the initial values of I and j will be 0, 0. Here we need to pass this j from 1, because when I starts from 0, j will start from I plus 1. And now if you see that this code, you can see that this was unsorted array, and finally this is a sorted array. So in case you have any confusion, please ask children. If you have any confusion, any query regarding this, please ask. Divyansh Bachel. Divyansh. Divyansh, are you there? Divyansh. Naman Gupta. But any problem, any query? Shreya Agarwal is here. Vasu Sumit Seth. Any problem with this? Okay. So this is what children. Okay, so let us see some examples, and here in this you need to find out Children, just try to find out the output of this question, this recursive function written by this recursive function when the values are 24, 2. The same question we have done. Please try to find out. Yes, hurry up. Vasu Sumit said. Vasu, Vasu Sumit, Varun Gupta, Aman Nigam, please try to find out the solution. What is the output? Vasu Sumit said, are you there? Beta, this is third time I am calling you. Otherwise, I will mark you absent. Okay, Shrestha Bindal, please. What is the output here? Okay, so it is, and what this code is doing actually? It is calculating the prime factors, right? Now, Prerna Lakhmani, try to solve this. What is the output of this recursive function? When the value passed of n is 10. When the value passed of n is 10. Prerna, the same question I am posting in the chat box. So please try to find out. The value of n is 10. Yes, all of you try this. Shrestha Bindal, but I try to just solve it. Dipankar Pandey, Harsh Singh, Shikhar Maheshwari. The answer according to you is 10, 5, 16. Shikhar, just consider the base case. It says that till the number is more than 1, it will continue. Okay. Yes. Till it is more than 1. And it will terminate. Yes. Good. So, Shikhar Maheshwari, your output is correct. And Nikhil Dulani is yours correct. Saransh Agrawal, correct. Tejas Verma, it's correct. Aradhya Khanna, it's correct. Okay. Dipankar Pandey, it's correct. Anybody else? Aman Nigam, it's correct, Aman. Okay, now We move on to the next one. Okay, children, just write a function and post it in the chat box to count the frequency of the special characters. Your function should accept alphabets, or we can say a string, and it will count the frequency of all special characters. So please write the code. It should count the frequency of all the. So here the prototype of the function is countf, and we need to pass string str, and the code is just going to count it. This is the main method, and you need to receive one string here. So please write the code for that. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. So first of all, you people have to decide what will be the base case. This will be the body of the main method, in which you need to declare one scanner class. And you have entered the string. You created the object of the class, obj.countf, passing this str, and here the function will print the frequency. And now you need to define the body of the recursive function. Yes. Prerna Lakhwani, what will be the base case? Prerna. Yes, are you there, beta? Please tell me the base case. Beta, please reply. The base case. Harsh Singh. Harsh Singh, what will be the base case? Harsh Singh, what will be the base case? Huh? Base case. The base case is the case when it terminates the execution. So here the base case will be if str.length is 0, and we need to return 0. Now what will be the second condition after that? As we have to count all the special characters, what to do? Sarthak Manral, what to do? We are just going to count that. Please tell. Here we need to write else if, and the condition will come which will ignore the alphabets and digits. Yes, somebody has posted. Wait. So if this base case is okay, if not, yes, Shekhar Maheshwari, it's correct. It's absolutely correct. Vasu Sumit said, Vasu, but it is not like that you connect and then you are not responding. I was calling out your name. No, it is every time it is not internet issue. Sorry. I removed you from that. So, okay. Nikhil Dulani, complete this function. Yes, the base case is okay. And else if, what to do? Here. Yes, how to check? How to check that? How to check that? Both the characters, why logical and? So you at a same time it cannot be a digit or letter. At a time it can either. That's why you cannot put logical and. At a time it can be a letter or a digit. So what? And if I'm not putting, then what to do? If I'm not putting, then what to do? Here we need to make it recursive, so return will come countf str dot substring 1. No need to add 0. Even if you are not adding 0, it will work. And if this given condition is false, then what? It must be a. So this is the code. And suppose I am putting just my email. So the frequency of the special characters is 2. One is the at the rate and another is the dot. And it has ignored alphabets and digits. Any problem, children? Any problem, then tell. So all of you please write one more recursive function. And the recursive function which you have to write is, write a function that will change lowercase alphabets to upper and vice versa. Lowercase alphabets to upper and vice versa. Hurry up, try this. And in that case, recursive. Yes, Shikhar, this time you are not going to post the solution on the chat box first. Okay, you just solve it. Okay, Shikhar. Shikhar. Okay. Change case, the name of the function, and it is str. One parameter we are passing. You can directly post on my WhatsApp number, Shikhar. Rest of you, please try this. The function is to change case of the lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Yes. So first of all, we have to decide what will be the base case. So who will tell? Just wait this time. Somesh Rai will tell what will be the base case. Somesh Rai. Somesh Rai. What will be the base case? Hurry up, beta, fast. Tell me. Sanvi. What will be the base case? If str dot length equals to 0, return this pair of double quotes. Okay, so this base case is okay. And after that, what to do? We need to check if we need to check for lower and uppercase separately, and then we need to convert also. So what to do? How to write that code, please? Somesh Rai. Yes, Somesh. But are you there or not? Vivans, hi. You tell. To change the uppercase letters into lower and vice versa. The base case is okay. We have written that. What we need to do is just to extract the alphabets and check for upper and lower case separately. Adya Gupta. Adya. Yes, here first we need to check for uppercase. What we should write? Else if what? Tell me. Is uppercase, and what to pass here? Yes. Str dot caret what? 0. Str dot caret of 0. The first alphabet we are extracting. If it is in uppercase, then what to do? Return what? Return what? Please tell, hurry up. Return character dot to lowercase. And here we need to pass str dot caret of 0 plus what? plus the function call str dot substring what 1. This is the Java statement which you need to write. And else what? Else if, not else. Just copy this whole statement. And everywhere you should write is lowercase. And here you should write to uppercase. And it's done. So if it is not uppercase or lowercase and still few alphabets are left in the string, it means it will go to the else part. And it can be a special character, it can be a digit. So that will not change and get recorded as it is. So this is also very important. So in that case, what we need to do? Return str.caret of what? 0. I don't want to change that, so that's why it is being recorded as it is. Change case and str.substring 1. So children, this is the function which will actually change and the function is going to return string data type, that is, this is string value. And suppose here I'm just passing Lucknow 123 @TYU. Suppose this is the string. It has changed. The uppercase has got converted to lowercase and digits and special characters will remain unchanged. You can see that here. Don't mind this message of that frequency because it is, we have not removed, that's why it is coming. Suppose here suppose this is what. Now you can see that all the alphabets got changed to uppercase because every alphabet was in lowercase and digits and special characters are not affected. This is the code. So children, we have revised so many recursive functions. So I hope that you people have understood this. And still if you have any confusion, then please tell. So children, any confusion, any doubt in recursive functions? Please tell, hurry up. Now, which topic you want to else if part again? Okay, else if part. Child, this is the case when the control will leave the function body. Because when you start processing, the loop will go from 0 to less than str.length. So what I am doing here, I am just removing each and every alphabet one by one. So when all the alphabets we have processed, then only the length will become 0. So this is the base case. And now what we are doing, we are just every time we are just extracting first alphabet from the string, and then we are checking if it is in uppercase. If it is in uppercase, then immediately change to lower and append, and then call the function. So this statement actually changes the alphabet to lowercase and appends within the resultant string. And this statement changes the alphabet to uppercase and then appends it. And what is the meaning of this statement? This statement actually, this condition will be true only when the alphabet is a special character or digit. And these two we don't want to modify. That's why we are adding as it is. So Somesh Rai, any confusion now? Somesh, Dev Kapoor, yes Aradhya, you want to ask anything? Okay. Varun Gupta. Okay, so children, recursive function is fine now. Still, if you have any doubt, then tell. And if not, we want to just start with a new topic, revision of new topic in the next class. So which topic you want to revise next? Please tell. So we have done with recursive functions, and in just go through the board questions and try to solve the output based questions there. Object passing. Okay, so next class we will do that. Okay. The basic questions we will do that. Yes, any other confusion? Okay, so now we are about to end this session, and now I am posting the Google form so that you people can mark your attendance there. And I am posting this form in the chat box. So please mark your attendance, and if you have any confusion or query, you can stay. Otherwise, after marking your attendance, please leave the session. Thank you.